there, you would have died for them. So, yeah, I'm gonna assume that's what happened.
Man, that was close.
But we did it. It's all that matters. I've got the keys.
Great. God, you're amazing. Let's get in there. Oh no.
Shit.
We gotta hurry.
Time to go.
I'm gonna get the truck rolled over!
Do it fast! I gotta get my dad down!
Honey, take Duck into the office area and get the hell out of the door behind me! When you hear me honk the alley, start getting people out of here! You got it! Doug, Harley, and Lee, you guys make sure our defense stay filled in! And Lee, I better take that axe in case I run into any of them on the way to my truck!
Here you go.
My door's not locked anymore. Shit! You three, get on it! Get back as fast as I can!
Wait from the windows.
Hey, Lee! You don't make it through this. You should know. I think you're a great guy.
Shut up, Doug.
Doug, we don't make it through this. You should...
I said what?
Huh?
You said I should know.
Shit!
Are you sure?
Shit!
Okay, then. Can you look for something to stick in between the hands? Something wrong, okay?
Okay.
Clementine, did you find anything?
Wait!
The window's through!
Go!
I found something!
God.
Let's go!
They got Doug. They...
You gotta move! You son of a bitch!
No!
I'm not letting somebody else get eaten today. Especially a good friend.
currently advised to stay in their homes or move towards the cities of Charlotte, Atlanta, and Orlando. If citizens choose to stay in their homes, they are urged to be near their radios and await further instructions. Moving to the cities of Charlotte, Atlanta, or Orlando may become necessary in order to ensure the safety of all citizens.
It was so awesome.
Meanwhile, inland, Atlanta has been downgraded temporarily to an 8, with attacks and rioting being reported in all precincts. Citizens are currently advised to move their homes towards the cities of Charlotte, Atlanta, and Orlando.
Hey, Glenn.
With uncountable severe emergencies in all counties, Georgia's cities and their current level of disaster are as follows. Atlanta, Stage 9 catastrophe. Augusta, Stage 8
I think I need to go.
Columbus,
To Atlanta.
Yeah, I got friends there. And I just can't stay here knowing that they could be trapped in that city.
Sounds like nobody knows what's happening there. When we left a few days ago, could have gone either way.
I gotta take my chances.
Stage 9 catastrophe. Albany, Stage 9 catastrophe. Once again, and now a Stage 9 catastrophe. With uncountable severe emergencies in all counties, Georgia's cities and their current level of disaster are as follows. Atlanta, Stage 9 catastrophe.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
And I gotta do this.
I respect that.
You guys be safe.
We'll try.
And Lee, you know, if this doesn't get better, people are going to give up. Like the girl from upstairs. Are you just gonna let them? You told Carly to give her the gun.
Yeah, I did.
Maybe you were right. I don't know how to handle something like that. Anyway, see you around.
Hey, kid.
Close call back there.
Thanks for picking me up.
No problem. We have to take care of each other.
Yeah, we do.
Hey, about Clementine.
Yeah?
Earlier I said there's some stuff out there that might screw up a precious little girl like her.
You did.
Well, I still think that's true. But after what I saw today, I think between you taking care of her and her taking care of herself, you two are gonna be just fine.
Thanks, Kenny.
You got it.
How you doing, Carly?
I'm okay. You know, considering.
I do, yeah.
I can't stop thinking about Doug. We couldn't have saved him, could we?
I don't think so. It happened pretty fast.
I know it's stupid. We just met. And he was such a... It's just that... I think that I liked him.
Well, I'm sure he liked you too.
You better have. Anyway, I'd rather be alone, I think.
I understand.
Wait, Lee?
What is it?
What did you choose? We both needed you. You picked me.
I thought you needed to help.
That makes sense.
But it wasn't no choice like that. It was just something I did. I don't know why.
I just wish we both could have made it, you know?
Me too, Carly.
Shoulder? It's all like, ow. I thought Super Dinosaur was toast. But you know what? He wasn't. Oh, and then...
You want to cool it for a minute?
Okay, sorry.
I'm sorry, there's not a lot of kids here.
No, it's not that. It's... I got cracked again.
I was there, though.
I fell, and my walkie-talkie broke. Glenn had the other one.
I'm sorry.
Thanks. I know I need to be tough. I'm just sad. I know it doesn't make any sense, but it's how I used to talk to my mom and dad. And now they're gone. It's gone.
Maybe we can find you another one.
I'll just keep this one, I guess.
Lee, come here for a second.
Let me go deal with this.
Oh man, Clementine, another thing.
What do you want?
You like my daughter?
She's fine.
Fine, uh-huh. Well, just fuck you, Lee Everett. That's right. I know who you are, and I know you're a killer. You go near my daughter or step out of line once, and so will everyone else. I know who you are. And I don't give a shit about what happens to you. But if anything happens to my daughter or that little girl you've got with you, you watch your ass.
Hey, Lee, do you have a second? My dad would be dead if it weren't for you.
That guy Doug is dead because of me.
You can't be like that. You're only one man.
I don't know.
We're lucky to have you.
I hope that's the sound of us winning this thing.
Me too.
This motor inn's pretty damn defendable. We block off the entrances with some cars, keep someone on watch. We could stay here until the military rolls through.
I actually agree with that plan.
Me too.
We got beds, we got water, and most importantly, we got light. There are worse places to call home.
Yeah, you're right. You know, guys, I think it's going to be okay.